Welcome to this tutorial on how to save your posts on Instagram using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple process that allows you to keep your favorite posts right on your computer. First, let's get started by opening Instagram on your PC. Head over to Instagram.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Instagram interface, but we're going to focus on the left side menu. Click on the notifications icon, which looks like a heart. This will take you to your notifications page. Now scroll through your notifications to find the post you want to save. This might take a few seconds, depending on how many notifications you have. Once you find the post, click on it to open it in full view. Now that you have the post open, look for the save icon. It's usually represented by a bookmark or a flag depending on the type of post. Click on this icon to save the post to your Instagram account. This doesn't directly download the post to your PC, but it saves it within Instagram for easy access later. To actually download the post to your computer, you'll need to use a slightly different method. Right-click on the image or video and select Inspect to open the developer tools. In the developer tools, find the image source and copy the link. Then, open a new tab in your browser and paste the link. You can now right-click on the image and select Save As to download it to your PC. This method might seem a bit more involved, but it's the most straightforward way to save Instagram posts directly to your computer. Remember, always respect the content creators by giving them proper credit if you decide to share their work. That's it for today's tutorial. Saving your favorite Instagram posts on your PC is easier than you think. And with these steps, you can keep them right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.